A cool way to use 4-color process on dark garments is to discharge the underbase. This allows the ink to be printed wet on wet direct to fabric. The discharge, however, does not take the background to pure white, so you want to do one of two things. Either use designs with more of a sepia tone in nature, or add a little bit of white pigment into the discharge base. For our AF4 water-based prints, we're first going to be going onto a white garment, which is a standard process printing, and then we're going to be doing the water base on a dark garment with a discharge base. Printing Green Galaxy's AF4 water-based process inks versus printing Plastisol process inks is not much difference other than leaving the screen flooded between prints, which actually lends itself to consistency in process printing anyway. I do find that these process inks are easier to pull versus pushing because you can get more ink through the screen. Once again, we're doing 2 passes of each with the same pressure and angle, roughly 15 to 20% on this manual press. Going onto a ring spun shirt, these prints look great and feel great as well. Now let's try on a black shirt. We're going to be doing our discharge underbase with 2% white pigment and then a flash. You don't have to flash completely, only until the ink is dry. Now we can do our overprint wet on wet. Note that when doing wet on wet printing on any underbase using Green Galaxy water base, adding up to 5% slipstream silicone can really help out with screen pickup and buildup. Since we're going on a dark garment, we're adding a white highlight screen. We're using a 70-30% Comet White and Clear Core as our underbase and laying this down as the first color, so the other colors print directly over it and the white doesn't mute it out at the end. We're still using a 305 mesh for this highlight. However, look what happens when we discharge the garment. The colors on top come to life and ends in a very cool print. As you can see, it is more sepia in nature and not like the original design on white. However, this is something that some customers will absolutely love. It's a very cool way to switch things up and a great way to end the printing section.